Anybody here order a pizza?
Charlie! Pizza!
Hold it.
Hey, hold it. Hold it.
I want you kids to meet a very, very special guest. Anne Marie.
Pleased to meet you.
Hello, Charlie.
Hello, Flo.
It's nice of you to come by. We don't see much of you anymore.
Well, you know how it is. I mean, I got a business to run.
Yeah, I know how it is. Oh, Charlie. Gosh, how these little guys love you.
Oh, hey, easy.
Uncle Charlie, can I have some more?
Whatever you want. Here, eat the box.
Ow! That's mine!
Just a minute, Pizza Cup. Don't you want to share? Hey! All right, it's only a pizza, fellas. Come on. You mind sharing? No, come on, don't fight. All right, I'm gonna tell you something about sharing.